Mommy Makeover is a term that we use that describes the group of procedures that we use to correct the changes that occur after pregnancy and childbirth. This involves generally abdominal surgery, could be suction, but very often it's a tummy tuck or abdominoplasty surgery, and then breast surgery in addition to that, which can be a breast reduction, a breast lift, a breast augmentation, or a combination of those. A patient who undergoes a Mommy Makeover will do best if they are in shape and they are fit, that they don't have a lot of fatty tissue, that they're at a stable body weight, and this gives us better tissues to work with, and of course they'll get a better result and have an easier recovery accordingly. Women who plan to lose a lot of weight following pregnancy should do that before they consider undergoing surgery. And of course it takes a good 6 months following delivery or 6 months following the cessation of breastfeeding before we can really get good predictable results following our surgery. Mommy Makeover surgery has been revolutionized in the last several years. We're using techniques that allow us to not have to use drains, and we're using a product called Exparel, which is an injectable Novocaine or numbing medicine that's used at the time of surgery, which basically relieves a lot of that discomfort. All of these things really speed up the recovery, and our patients, many can be back in carpool in a week or back at work in a week. You're by no means done, you're not at 100% for several months, but you're functional. And the recovery period with these new techniques of progressive tension sutures and no drains and Exparel have reduced that recovery down to about a week to 10 days. Expectations following the surgery need to be really considered. You're not going to have the body back that you had when you were 18, but we can certainly improve the shape and the size of your breasts following breastfeeding. We can certainly flatten the tummy and get rid of that extra skin and that muscle bulging that occurs after pregnancy. So we can have a much flatter tummy, a much nicer figure. We can really restore that hourglass shape.